Anytime you have a project around the home that requires a radius to be cut in any kind of plywood, you're going to end up using a jigsaw.
Well, jigsaw is great for cutting circles, but if you cut it freehand, it's very hard to do it accurately. So here I've made a circle cutting jig that I attached to the jigsaw, so you can cut any radius or circles almost perfectly. Now what I did is I took a piece of 1/8" hardboard and I laid the saw on the masonite and I traced around the shoe of it with a pencil. Then I used a framing square to trace this beam, which is a straight arm that comes out. Then I used the jigsaw itself just to cut out the jig, and I attach it to the bottom with 2 small machine screws.
So anyway, when you're cutting the radius then, you're just measuring from the blade and then drilling a hole for half the diameter of the circle.
Right, this will be the pivot point. In this
Okay.
case, it's 12 inches, because we have a
Okay.
24-inch piece of wood here we're going to cut a half circle in.
Okay.
So all you need to do is set it in place and screw down the pivot point. In fact, if you want to put that screw in there for me.
Okay.
Okay, that's good enough. Okay, now stand back and watch. This will cut right along. All I have to do is keep this nice and flat.